the last thing we're going to do is level a stone. You want to keep an eye on your stones, and as soon as you can hold one stone on top of the other one and hold it up to the light and you can see daylight, you need to straighten the stone or to level it. Now this is a brand new leveling kit, and I will take our leveling kit, which we use all the time, put a little water on it. You take the bag of silicon carbide that came with it and sprinkle on just a very small amount of silicon carbide, just like that. That's all you need. So this half-pound bag lasts a really long time. When I'm starting with fresh silicon carbide, I always straighten a 120 or 220 stone first, because this is 60 grit, it's really coarse, and it makes a lot of noise. So then you turn the stone end for end to even out the pressure so that it cuts evenly. And then if you rinse the stone off, you can see when it's all one consistent color that it's flat. And you can also check it this way with another stone too. So I always do a 220 or a 120 first to break the silicon carbide down. And then once I get it broken down, then I go through my finer stones. And here's one that may be a better example of what it looks like. This is a 600 we've been using for quite a while. And you can see where it's grinding is here and here. So it's low in the middle. So I'll just keep grinding until it goes all one color, which is very quick. It only takes a couple of minutes. There it is. Okay, that took about 30 seconds. Rinse it off, and you can see the stone is all one color now, so I know that it's flat. And if you keep your stones level, you'll definitely get more life out of them. There's no typical pattern. Everybody wears their stones differently. Some people wear them on the end, some people wear them in the middle. But if you switch your stones end for end every time you use them, so if you get in the habit of taking the stone out of the apex, turn it end for end, and when you lay it down, so that the next time you put it in, it's in the opposite direction, because the apex uses the stone all the way to the end on this end, but not on the other end. So when you turn it around, you distribute the wear out end for end, and you also distribute the wear out side to side, because some people tend to lean a little harder on one side than the other. What I usually do is just wrap this up in newspaper and put it away. And when you use this around your kitchen or anywhere, you want to make sure you put newspaper down. I can see little bits of silicon carbide here on the counter because it'll scratch the daylights out of everything. So if you're going to just use it just for straightening, put some paper down, let it dry out, wrap it up, put it away. Next time you get it down, just re-wet it and you reuse it again. And the silicon carbide, you can probably use it 6 or 7 times before it wears out and then start over with fresh. However, if you're using this for your platform, for your apex, then just level all your stones, rinse it off, and flip it over, and then use the opposite smooth side for your pad for your apex.